This month is June, which means it's Pride Month. It's the perfect time to come to Thailand. So right now, I'm gonna take you guys to EVEANDBOY to find your beauty, find your confidence, and find your own style. This one is so cute, you guys. It's very nice. So these are all some handmade designs. They have many pretty things here. I maybe can try this pink one. Let's see if I can try it. Color kind of matches my hair a bit as well. This blue one, actually, I quite like. Let's go try it on. Sawadee-ka! Hi everyone! I'm Tyler from Canada. As you know, this month is June, which means it's Pride Month. It's the perfect time to come to Thailand, where it's very welcoming. Everyone is free to be themselves, regardless of their style, their nationality, their sexual orientation, their race, whatever. Everyone is free to express themselves here. So today we're here, as you can see, in the heart of Bangkok City, and we're gonna go shopping in MBK Center to find our style that suits our own personality the best. If you would like to have this special MBK Pride Edition fan, make sure to go to the information counter in MBK. Let's go! Of course, the first step to being yourself is to find your confidence. And what's the most important part of confidence? Of course, the face. So right now, I'm gonna take you guys to EVEANDBOY, where you can find every product that you need to find your beauty, find your confidence, and find your own style. It has every skincare product, every makeup product, every perfume, body care, hair care, whatever you need to feel beautiful and confident, they got it. So let me show you around, let's go. So as you see, there are many people in MBK. It's very popular. They have everything that you need. Ta-da! Here we are at EVEANDBOY, you guys. Oh my goodness, look at this. They have all of the different skincare, the different makeup, all kinds of different brands. Look here, they've got even the high-end brands. They really have everything that you need to become your own style. Look. So I think that we need to look for maybe something you cannot find in your home country. I think I would love to buy something that's from a Thai brand. Let's look at the skincare first. Let's see where it is. I think, many local Thai brands, you guys. Price is not very expensive here. You see 69 baht, 39 baht. They have many good promotions. And if you're a tourist as well, you can also get the VAT refund. So it's gonna be very cheap for you guys. Oh my God, it's exciting. They have so many. How can I make a selection when there's so many stuff, you guys? I can spend the whole day in here for sure. But I'm still looking for a lip balm, you guys. What kind do you think I should get? Should I get a color? Oh, look, we got some lip balms here. We've got it from this one, Mediheal, only 99 baht. It's quite a good deal actually. Oh, look at this one. They've got some UV protection. This also is a Thai brand from Mizumi, you guys. This one is also, buy one, get one. Oh my gosh, should I get this one, you guys? They've got some different colors here as well. Let's keep looking, see if we can find something else as well. Let's see if I can find some mask. Oh, looks like there's a mask here. Oh, soothing and repairing freeze-dry mask. I think it's exactly what I need after standing outside in the hot Bangkok heat. So let's try this one. And let's keep looking what else they have to offer. I'm still on the hunt for a lip balm. Okay, this is another Thai brand. I think this will be perfect for us. Okay, the plumpy one. It will make your lips look nice and juicy. I think we can try this one, guys. Okay, let's see what else they have. Let's make our way over. I think another very important thing in Bangkok is you need to smell good, okay? Please, when you come here, remember to wear your deodorant. Remember to wear your perfume because it is very hot and you might be stinking, okay? So let's avoid that. Find something that will make you smell very nice. Okay, over here, they have so many famous perfumes and colognes. I think today, I've got some lemons on my shirt. I've got some yellow in my nail as well. So let's find something that is kind of a lemony scent. This one is so cute, you guys. I think that one suits me for sure. I can try it. It's very nice. I think this one is gonna be good for me, okay? It matches my hair and my nails and my clothes, so let's try this one. Okay, let's go. Okay, everyone, we've picked out my haul for today. Now that I've got all of my items that will help me become my truest self, it's time to go pay. So remember to bring your passport so you can have the VAT Sawadee ka. Okay, so here is my EVEANDBOY haul. I've got all the products that I need to realize my true self for a very reasonable price. So we need to still finish the outfit, the accessories, everything. So let's go. So now we're on the way to our next shop. I need to find something to wear, some clothes, some accessories. Okay, I need to complete the look for my Pride event. So let's take a look what they have here. Okay, this accessory shop looks very interesting. So these are all some handmade designs. They look so handmade.
Yeah.
They have many pretty things here. It's so hard to choose because everything looks so beautiful. All handmade designs. I think I would like maybe a pink one. Let's see this one. Okay, let's see. So they've got this very like cute pink one with the gold. Oh, this like blue and yellow, that would be good for me too. Different colors, different styles. Look at this one too. They got the beading style here. It's like hand beaded with some pink and some gold as well. That could be quite cute. Ooh, if you would like some earrings, look. That would be quite cute as well if you have the earrings. I maybe can try this pink one. Let's see if I can try it. So I can adjust the size however big your wrist is, but look how cute it is, you guys. It's a very subtle, sparkly. The color kind of matches my hair a bit as well. Okay, so I think I will get that pink bracelet. I think it's perfect. Can I have this one, please?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you so much. Oh, look. So if you buy 1,300 baht, you get 100 baht discount. And if you buy 2,500 baht, you get 250 baht discount. So here they got a really good system. The more you buy, the bigger the discount you get. Okay, I'm so excited to wear the bracelet. You know, it matches my vibe, it matches my hair, it matches my nails. It's very perfect for me. It's handmade, it's sparkly, very lovely. Oh, thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ Thank you. Bye bye. ขอบคุณค่ะ Okay, I've got my perfect accessory. Now I've got to go get the outfit to match. So let's go up to the third floor to look for some clothes. Right over here too, if you want to take a rest, they've got a cafe. You can sit over here and maybe take a break from your shopping. But for me, I'm not done with my shopping yet. Still have many things that I need to buy to prepare and create my own personal look. So let's see what kind of clothes they have on this. So here it looks like a lot of different dresses, maybe Indian style, maybe Thai style. Oh, maybe let's see this one. It looks like quite beachy vibes. Okay, so let's try this shop. They've got like a lot of different colorful clothes. Let's choose something that can suit me. I'm seeing like this pink color matches my hair quite nicely. Let's see what else they've got here. Oh, they've got some more flowery print shorts here. It's gonna be perfect for if you go to the beach or you know you want to go out at night. It's gonna be nice and cool but still looks quite nice. A lot of cute things here. If you are gonna go swimming, they've got some swim trunks for you. You can try it. And they've got a lot of different like souvenirs. You know, the Bangkok one, the Thailand endless summer. So if you're gonna get something to bring as a souvenir for your friends back home too, there's a lot of cute like graphic tees here. Maybe this could be nice too. This one is a two-piece. So if you are not good at making an outfit, I think you can buy this one. It's gonna look good, like one full outfit. This blue one, actually, I quite like. Let me see the dark blue one. Let's go try it on. Okay, I found my perfect outfit. Now let's go buy it. Hello.
This one is good, right?
Yes, it's very nice. Thank you. New outfit from White Sands. And now let's go to the next location. I think the last finishing touch will be to refresh my iconic pink hair. So let's go find a hair salon to do that. My pink hair is very beautiful, but I think it needs a bit of a refresher. Maybe a cut, maybe a new style, maybe touch up the color a bit. So I think we've got to go up another floor to find some hair salons. Let's see what kind of shop we can find. So now we're at the fourth floor. The rest of this floor actually is mostly like technology. They've got some really cheap like secondhand phones if you're in the market for that. Okay, you guys, I have found the hair salon and let me ask them if they can help me to do this style right here. So let's see what she thinks. Hello สวัสดีค่ะ Can I try to cut this style please okay but I think I'm maybe don't have time today Can I come tomorrow
What time you want to make it for?
Maybe tomorrow 3 p.m. Is it okay
What's your name?
Tyler Okay, thank you so much. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Okay, so I'll be coming back here tomorrow. If you guys are interested in this shop, you can see the prices here. It's actually quite reasonable, you know. A lot of people love to get their hair washed when they come to Thailand. So definitely a good deal. And I'll be back here tomorrow. Okay, everyone, I'm finished with my day shopping at MBK. Thank you so much to MBK for helping me find my true style from the face with the fragrance to the outfit and the accessories to finally with the new hairstyle. So remember that if you're coming to Bangkok in June, you must come here for sure to find your pride style as well. And now I'm off to be my fabulous self. Make sure that when you're coming to MBK in June, go to the information counter to find the rainbow pride flag for sure. So I'll see you guys all in Bangkok Pride. Bye bye!